Hold on to your RGB keyboards. Nvidia's Texas Gold Rush. All right, folks, buckle up. You are not going to believe this. Nvidia, the green team we all know and love for those sweet, sweet graphics cards, might be about to hit an insane jackpot. We're talking about a potential $20 billion windfall. Yes, billion with a B. This isn't just some random rumor floating around the internet either. This is tied to a colossal project brewing down in Abilene, Texas. They're calling it Stargate, and trust me, the name is fitting for something this out-of-this-world massive. It's like finding the ultimate Easter egg in your favorite game. But instead of a cool skin, it's a mountain of cash. This Stargate thingamajig isn't your average server farm. Oh no, it's an AI megacenter. Think of it as the Death Star of artificial intelligence, but hopefully, for good. The sheer scale is mind-boggling. We're talking about a facility designed to push the boundaries of what AI can do. And who's going to be powering this beast? You guessed it, tons and tons of Nvidia GPUs. This deal could redefine Nvidia's earnings for years to come. Get your popcorn ready because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's dive deeper into this Stargate AI megacenter. This isn't just a catchy name. It represents a monumental undertaking. The primary purpose of Stargate is to provide the raw computational power needed for developing and training next-generation artificial intelligence models. We're talking about AI that can write, create art, solve complex scientific problems, and maybe even figure out why my socks always go missing in the laundry. This facility is being built with one goal in mind: to be one of the largest and most powerful AI supercomputers on the planet. It's ambitious, it's audacious, and it's happening right now. The scale we're discussing is almost hard to comprehend. Imagine a data center sprawling over a massive area, packed to the gills with the latest and greatest server racks. Each rack will be brimming with Nvidia's most powerful GPUs, all interconnected with high-speed networking. The power consumption alone will be equivalent to a small city. This is the kind of infrastructure needed to train AI models with trillions of parameters, pushing beyond what's currently possible. It's like trying to build a real-life version of Skynet's core, but hopefully with better intentions and a lot more RGB. This is serious business, folks. All right, let's talk numbers, because that $20 billion figure is enough to make anyone's jaw drop. Where does this massive sum come from for Nvidia? The lion's share, as you'd expect, is from the sale of their cutting-edge GPUs. We're likely talking about their flagship data center GPUs, like the H100 or even newer, more powerful architectures. These aren't your off-the-shelf GeForce cards, folks. These are specialized, high-performance compute engines designed specifically for AI and HPC workloads. Each one of these cards costs a small fortune, and Stargate will need tens, if not hundreds of thousands of them. It's a GPU tsunami. The sheer volume of GPUs required for a project of Stargate's magnitude is staggering. If a single high-end data center GPU costs, let's say, $30,000 to $40,000, and that's a conservative estimate for some models when you factor in demand, you can quickly see how the numbers add up. If Stargate needs, for example, 500,000 GPUs, that alone gets you into the $15 to $20 billion range just for the graphics processors. This kind of sale is transformative for Nvidia's data center division, potentially dwarfing previous deals and setting new revenue records. This is the kind of order that keeps factories running 24/7. But it's not just the raw sale of the GPUs. While the GPUs are the stars of the show, let's not forget the supporting cast that Nvidia brings to the Stargate project. This $20 billion isn't just for those shiny graphics cards. Nvidia has a whole arsenal of hardware and software that makes these massive AI clusters possible. Think about the networking. To get tens of thousands of GPUs to talk to each other efficiently, you need some serious bandwidth. Nvidia's Mellanox networking solutions, specifically their InfiniBand technology, are critical here. This provides the ultra-low latency and high-throughput communication fabric, essential for distributed AI training. It's the superhighway for data in the AI city. Then there's the server architecture itself. Nvidia has developed specialized server designs like their DGX systems, which are purpose-built for AI and deep learning. While Stargate might involve custom configurations, the principles and technologies from the DGX line will undoubtedly play a role. These systems are more than just motherboards with a bunch of GPUs slapped on. Oracle's Cloud Kingdom, powered by Stargate. Now, Nvidia isn't the only tech giant cashing in on this Stargate behemoth. Oracle, a company you might associate more with databases and enterprise software, is playing a super crucial role here. They are reportedly a key partner in the Stargate project, likely providing the cloud infrastructure and data center facilities where this AI supercomputer will live. This is a massive win for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. It positions OCI as a serious contender in the high-performance computing and AI cloud market, a space traditionally dominated by AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This is Oracle's big play for AI relevance. For Oracle, the direct financial benefit is projected to be around $2 billion in revenue from Stargate. This revenue would likely come from providing the data center space, power, cooling, and the underlying cloud infrastructure services needed to run such a massive operation. Building and maintaining a facility capable of housing Stargate is no small feat. Investor alert: why your wallet should care about Stargate. Okay, so we've geeked out about the tech, the scale, and the big numbers. But what does this all mean for you, the savvy tech investor? Well, if you're not paying attention to Nvidia and Oracle right now, you might be missing a massive opportunity. The Stargate project is a clear indicator of the explosive growth in the AI infrastructure market. Companies are pouring billions into building the foundational systems for AI, and Nvidia is the primary pickaxe and shovel seller in this digital gold rush. This $20 billion deal, if it fully materializes, is a significant boost to Nvidia's already impressive growth trajectory. For Nvidia investors, Stargate underscores the company's technological leadership and its crucial role in the AI revolution. The demand for their GPUs is not a fleeting trend. It's a long-term secular growth driver. As AI models become more complex and data-intensive, the need for more powerful and efficient compute will only increase. Nvidia is at the forefront of this innovation, consistently delivering next-generation hardware and software that pushes the boundaries. Investing in Nvidia is a bet on the continued advancement of AI. OpenAI's wishlist: Stargate delivers the dream rig. So why is OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT and DALL-E, so keen on getting Stargate up and running ASAP? Well, training cutting-edge AI models is an incredibly resource-intensive process. We're talking about needing computational power that makes traditional supercomputers look like toys. OpenAI has been vocal about the compute bottleneck they face. Their ambitions to build even more powerful and general-purpose AI systems, like artificial general intelligence, are currently limited by the available hardware. Stargate is essentially their dream supercomputer, custom-built to tackle these monumental tasks. It's the ultimate upgrade. Previously, OpenAI, like many other AI research labs, had to cobble together compute resources or rely on existing cloud offerings that might not have been optimized for their specific massive-scale needs. This often led to compromises in training time, model size, or the complexity of experiments they could run. Stargate is designed from the ground up to address these limitations. It promises a dedicated, state-of-the-art facility with an unprecedented amount of AI-focused compute power. This means OpenAI can train larger models faster and iterate on their research more quickly. The dynamic duo Nvidia and Oracle's long-term AI play. The Stargate project isn't just a one-off mega deal, it's a cornerstone of Nvidia and Oracle's long-term strategy in the booming AI market. For Nvidia, this reinforces their dominance not just in selling chips, but in providing comprehensive AI supercomputing solutions. Each major AI deployment like Stargate becomes a showcase, demonstrating their technological prowess and their ability to deliver at scale. This attracts more customers, from large enterprises to entire nations looking to build their own sovereign AI capabilities. It's a powerful flywheel effect that keeps Nvidia at the top of the AI hardware food chain. The long-term benefits for Nvidia also include invaluable feedback and data from operating one of the world's largest AI supercomputers. Working closely with OpenAI and Oracle on Stargate will provide insights into the demands of future AI models and workloads. This information can directly influence the design of Nvidia's next-generation GPUs, networking solutions, and software. It's like having the world's most demanding beta tester for your future products. This continuous improvement cycle is crucial for maintaining their technological edge over competitors like AMD and Intel. Betting on the future AI infrastructure is king. So, as we wrap this up, what's the big takeaway from the Stargate saga? It's simple. AI infrastructure is not just important, it's the absolute bedrock upon which the future of artificial intelligence will be built. Projects like Stargate, with their eye-watering budgets and mind-bending scale, are a testament to this reality. Companies and even nations are realizing that to be a leader in AI, you need access to immense computational power. This isn't a niche market anymore. It's rapidly becoming a fundamental component of the global technology landscape, just like electricity or the internet. Investing in companies like Nvidia and Oracle, which are at the forefront of building this AI infrastructure, looks like a very smart long-term play. Nvidia, with its dominant GPU technology and comprehensive AI platform, is essentially providing the brains and nervous system for these AI supercomputers. Their continuous innovation ensures they remain critical to the advancement of AI. As long as AI models keep getting bigger and more complex, the demand for Nvidia's hardware and software will likely continue its upward trajectory. They are literally building the engines of the AI revolution.